Good morning, children. Children, you see, it is a coconut oil, hair oil. Children, you see, it is 200 milliliter. Children, it is hand cleanser. It is 250 milliliter. Children, when you see, here you see the what? The amount, the measuring capacity. Here is written. Okay, children, the capacity of this bottle is 250 milliliter, and the capacity of this blue bottle, children, it is 200 milliliter. Children, and you see the small bottle, it is what? It contains, the capacity of this bottle is 100 milliliter. Children, for measuring the capacity of the small container like this, children, what we use the smaller measure. Okay, children, it is called milliliter. Children, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Children, you see, it is 1 liter bottle. The capacity of this pink bottle, children, you see, the capacity of this pink bottle is 1 liter. 1 liter. The capacity of this bottle is 1 liter. Children, you see, here is 100 milliliter. Children, 10 times of this bottle. When you add 10 bottle and when you pour, it is what? It is 1 liter. Children, 100, it is what? 10 cups of or 10 small bottles of 1 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, children. Children, you see, it is 250 milliliter. 4 times when I pour here, the bottle is what? It is the capacity of this bottle. This bottle capacity is 1 liter. So 1 liter, children, how? 250 into 4 bottle. Okay, children, 4 bottles of 250 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. And children, and also when you see, children, you see a glass. This is a glass, children. Now see, children, it is the capacity of this glass is 500 milliliter, children. So when 2 times I add here, it will fill the bottle, and the capacity of this bottle is 1 liter. So 1 liter is equal 500 milliliter into 2 times of this glass. Okay, children. So 500 into 2 glasses is equal to 1 liter. That is this capacity of this bottle, children. So by this, what you know, children? You know Children, 100 times. Children, 100 times or 100 times this bottle is equal to, children, 1 liter. Yes, no. 100 times 100 milliliter. Okay. 10 times of this bottle, when you add here, it is 1 liter, because this bottle, the capacity of this bottle is 100 milliliter. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000 is equal to 1000 milliliter, children. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Children, here also you see this is 250 milliliter. So 250 milliliter, 4 times of this bottle, the capacity of this bottle, 1 time 250, then second time 250, children, 250 plus 250, 500 milliliter. Then again I add 250 milliliter, then 750 milliliter. Again I add 250 milliliter, then it is 1000 milliliter. That means 1 liter, the capacity of this bottle. So 1 liter is equal to 4 times of this bottle. Children, that means 250 plus 250 into 4 times what? Of this bottle. Children, is equal to 1 liter. My dear children, and here you see this is 500 milliliter. When you add 2 times, first 500 milliliter, again I add 500 milliliter in this. When I open it and I pour water, children, what happened? 500 milliliter, again I add 500 milliliter. It is 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Children, remember, for measuring the capacity of the small container like this, children, we use a smaller measure called milliliter. Children, in this way, what? When you see the big bottle, children, you what? You express in liter. Children, you see the big bottle. You see the big bottle and this small bottle. It will express in liter. And this bottle is expressed in milliliter. ml. Capital L. Liter. Okay, children, it is small ml. Milliliter. Okay, thank you. Children,